The knowledge-based Mashin Sazi Arak (MSA) was founded in 1967 in an area 134 hectares in the city of Arak in order to support underlying industries and meet the industrial needs of the country, and was established as the first heavy industry in the country in 1971. It has been designed to cover a wide range of industrial activities from melting to delivery of the final product with self-sufficiency in meeting its needs while training skilled manpower. Now this large industrial complex under the ownership of Teachers Reserve Fund Institute is the first and largest industrial complex in the country, with more than half a century of brilliant history and scientific capabilities. Mashin Sazi Arak, benefiting from about 2,000 skilled and experienced staff, advanced equipment and facilities, has the ability to carry out major national and international projects and produces 52 different types of products in the following areas: oil, gas, refining and petrochemicals, mining and steel industries, heating facilities and boilers, alloy casting and forging, power plants and renewable energy, bridge, metal structures and port facilities. One of the main and most specialized activities of MSA is in the field of engineering, construction and installation of oil, gas, refining and petrochemical equipment. Construction and installation of spherical tanks, towers, pressure vessels and heat exchangers of Hark Petrochemical, Depolymer Aryan, Ilam, Amir Kabir, Borzuya, Buali, Kavian, Arvand, Marun, Jam, Kermanshah, Gatsaran, Pars Phenol, Arak and Morvarid Petrochemical, as well as Isfahan, Bandar Abbas, Persian Gulf Star refineries, Tehran Refinery and other petrochemical and refineries, as well as the development of South Pars gas field, Phase 14 and reorganization plan of Mashhar export port are the honors of Mashin Sazi Arak. Towers of refinery and petrochemical industries. Construction of Iran's tallest distillation tower for Shahzand Refinery and the main tower of gasoline production unit of this refinery, as well as Morvarid Petrochemical Distillation Tower, which was delivered to the employer in less than 3 months and less than the contract time, and the first longest equipment in the history of the country's super heavy transportation, which has been manufactured and transported in one single piece, are among the most significant products of this company in this field. Towers of Gatsaran Petrochemical, Phase 14 of Asaluya, Kangan Petrochemical, and Depolymer Aryan are other main projects of MSA in this field. Storage tanks. Engineering, construction and installation of a large number of storage tanks with fixed conical and domed roofs, floating roof and double-walled storage tanks, and construction and installation of the Middle East's largest floating roof tanks with a capacity of 1.333 million barrels at Isfahan Refinery are considered as the company's brilliant experiences. Spherical tanks. Spherical tanks are among the first equipment manufactured in the country by Mashin Sazi Arak Company. This industrial complex has also designed and constructed about 100 spherical tanks inside and outside the country, with a capacity ranging from 316 cubic meters to 11,300 cubic meters, which is the largest spherical tank in the Middle East. Pressure valves and wellhead equipment. MSA is the largest producer of pressure valves and wellhead equipment in the country. The valves produced by this complex enjoy high quality and efficiency and have been used for long in different parts of the country. They meet all international standards in terms of size, class, pressure, type of materials, and quality. Mobile tanks, heat exchangers, air conditioners, gas industry equipment, design and construction of drilling rigs are among other products of this company. Fire tube, water tube and combined cycle boilers. MSA is the first and largest designer and manufacturer of steam and hot water boilers in Iran and the Middle East. The company has reached the ability to build a fire tube steam boiler up to a capacity of 55 tons per hour for the first time in Iran and the Middle East. Presently, a wide range of Iranian factories and companies in different industries are using the steam boilers produced by this complex. Desalination Unit of South Pars Phase 15 and 16, Arak Petrochemical Steam Production Unit, and steam production of Takht Jamshid Petrochemical Company are among the successful APC projects of MSA in the field of steam boiler production. Bridges and heavy steel structures. Design, construction and installation of heavy steel structures and bridges with large spans for difficult-to-pass roads and wide rivers are among the unique features of this company. Execution of mega projects such as Baf Bandar Abbas railway bridges, current 4 cable-stayed bridges for transfer of oil and gas pipeline, Clifton Overpass Bridge in the Pakistani city of Karachi, Soleimani Bridge in Iraq and Iran's longest arched bridges located over Karun 3 Dam Lake with span length of 252 meters and the large Karun 4 Bridge with a 300-meter arch are some of the company's honors. Design, construction and installation of various industrial structures such as the huge chimney of Shahid Rajai Power Plant in Qazvin and the roof structure of Aftab International Exhibition has been implemented by this company. Design, construction and installation of hydro-mechanical equipment of Masjid Suleiman Dam and Power Plant, all steel structures of Karun 3 Dam and Power Plant, steel lining of Karun 4 Dam and Siyah Bisha Reservoir Dam are the main activities of this company in the field of dam and power plant equipment. Design, construction and installation of wind turbine equipment in Manjil and Rudbar, container cranes of Imamport and construction and installation of 8 grain suction devices with a capacity of 600 tons per hour in association with Germany's Naira company are other activities of this company in this field. Mashin Sazi Arak products in the field of metallurgy. Flange and anchor pressure flanges. MSA is one of the country's largest manufacturers of all kinds of flanges used in the oil, gas and water industry, according to the latest international standards. The company also has technical knowledge and unique equipment to produce all kinds of anchor flanges up to 56 inches in size. Railway tire and axle. Mashin Sazi Arak has a long history in the production of various types of axles and train tire, and as an exclusive and strategic product, it includes a large volume of metallurgical group products. Types of steel balls. MSA is the first manufacturer of steel balls in Iran, using its unique equipment and facilities in the field of steel making, forging and rolling. It produces types of steel balls for industries under the latest international standards up to 100 millimeters in diameter by rolling and 100 to 300 millimeters in diameter by molding. Industrial rings and bushes, all kinds of alloy steels and steel pieces are other products of Mashin Sazi Arak in the field of metallurgy. MSA, enjoying its University of Applied Sciences, has been able to work in various levels of associates, bachelor's and master's degrees, and is proud to play a significant role in the country's higher education by using equipped workshop and laboratory facilities and experienced professors. This large industrial complex, relying on its experienced experts and engineers in various scientific and technical fields, and using the Quality Assurance Unit, which is independently responsible for the quality of the production process from the beginning of entering the workshops until the finalization of the products, and moreover, by having various production workshops, steel making, casting, forging, ball making, which are all equipped with heavy equipment and unique and advanced machines, as well as subsidiaries such as MSA Engineering and Construction Company, Pai-Sos Company, Akam Oil and Gas Company, West Sun Trade Company in Germany, taking into account the bio-environmental criteria and maximum use of clean energy in line with promoting its social responsibility and satisfying its human resources, has always been thinking about sustainable development, technology transfer, job creation, and training experienced staff for the country's industry. Over the past half a century, Mashin Sazi Arak has had an effective presence in every corner of the dear land of Iran, and has never given up efforts for industrial development of the country under any circumstances, and has intertwined experience and expertise so as to achieve further honors with strong determination.